You're watching Daytime, presented by California Closets. Our people, our product, the California Closets experience. Welcome back to Daytime. Your smile says a lot about you, including your age. Thankfully, there are ways to enhance your smile and keep you looking as young as you feel. And here to tell us more are Dr. Cindy Brayer with Creating Smiles Dental and Dr. Ann Hermann with Hermann Wellness. Ladies, welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's start with you, Dr. Brayer. From a dental perspective, what would you say is one of the top things that makes our mouth and our teeth appear aged?
So teeth that are yellow and stained will look more dull in appearance when you smile. And so the best option is really just to whiten your teeth and get them brighter looking. And I would recommend, going to see your dentist and figuring out what the best options are for you, because everyone has a different situation and not all options are the same for patients.
In addition to whitening, what would you say are other dental recommendations to make your mouth appear more youthful?
So over time, our teeth tend to start getting more crowded and shifted, and they get more chipping and potential wear on the edges of the teeth. And this really ages our teeth over time. And so, what we'd recommend would be to have straightening of the teeth. And this would help your teeth to look much more youthful in appearance, and it puts the teeth in their ideal position so that you can maintain your teeth for a lifetime. There are patients of ours who have straightened their teeth, like this photo above, that shows this patient who had crowded teeth, and he actually widened his arch with Invisalign and straightened them, and now his teeth are more aesthetic and just a more youthful smile. The second patient here had Invisalign and whitening, and so now his teeth has resulted in a much younger look. And so Invisalign is really our preferred way of straightening teeth, and our patients love it because it works and they don't have to use the metal and the brackets and the wires. Exactly. And we can also do it in about 4 to 6 months.
Oh, that is quick. Dr. Hermann, I know that you've been treating patients here in Tampa Bay for 17 years with all kinds of anti-aging techniques. Are there other factors that contribute to this problem that you've seen?
Yes, so of course making the teeth look beautiful is the first step, and then sometimes also we start to develop lines around the mouth. Loss of volume and loss of collagen are basically responsible for that. So we do recommend a very, very fine filler called Volbella. It's a Juvederm filler, but fillers are so sophisticated now, we can add back just a small amount of volume to replace what's been lost, so that you look the way you looked maybe 10 years ago without looking overdone. Yes.
And is it a gradual process? Because I know one of the hesitations that people have about fillers is that it'll be too dramatic too soon.
Yes, yes. So in fact, I absolutely recommend, less is more. So a lot of times we'll do a little bit, usually in the upper lip, around the corners, or sometimes this we call the nasolabial fold. And it lasts about a year. And then we can always add more filler if people want, so that they can go home, get used to it, and take it from there. Do
you have any other recommendations, things we can do?
So I also recommend Morpheus 8, which is radio frequency microneedling, tiny, tiny needles that deliver heat energy under the skin, which helps the collagen firm up. So once we've replaced as much volume as looks good, then it's more about just making the surface of the skin look smooth.
All kinds of things I never knew existed. Dr. Hermann, Dr. Brayer, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And if you'd like more information, you can visit creating-smiles.com or call one of their 2 locations in St. Petersburg and Clearwater at the numbers on your screen. Daytime will be right back.